Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new here, please like and subscribe so you're notified the next time I go Lush shopping. And let me show you what I got. I actually ordered some things online. I've got a gift set here and some bath bombs and bubble bars and bath oils and that sort of thing. So without further ado, I picked up the Peachy Gift Set, and this actually features the Peachy Bath Bomb, and it smells like peach. So cute. I just love this, and it's a pretty decent size too. The gift set was actually $18.95, which is a little overpriced because I mean you could just pick these two up for less, but I guess you're paying for the packaging. But the reason I got the gift set is because I also wanted the Peach Crumble Bubbleroon because my store was sold out of it. But this is a bubble bar, a Bubbleroon, so you can see it's got the two cookies, and it's got the coconut oil and the shea butter sandwich in between to give you extra moisture in the bath, and it's got that little leaf up there. But this smells like peach pie. It's yummy, it's delicious, and I'm loving this. I may be taking a peach bath tonight. We will see. Next, I picked up the Double Vitality Bath Oil, and it is this hot pink, and it's a star, and this smells like very uplifting, like peppermint. Let's see what the scent description is. When you find yourself in need of a reboot, you can drop this fizzing bath oil into the tub and watch as softening shea butter center fervently dissolves. So, in a dazzling pink display. So it's got peppermint and lemon oil. Very nice. Very refreshing. Next, I have the Furzie Bath Oil, and this is so cute. I love the flower on there and the herbs. This smells like flowers, and I'm not sure. Let's see what it says. Okay. This oil looks as if it's been picked straight from nature itself. Dried elderflower and amaranth flowers embrace the water in your tub to create a beautifully aromatic bath with hints of tropical, coconutty comfort. Very hydrating. Yeah, it smells like coconut and flowers. That's beautiful. Loving that. Then next I picked up the Sugar Rush bubble bottle, and it's this really deep purple with glitter, and it says Lush engraved on the front. Okay, so this says, try this sweet bubbler on for size. Take your bottle by the cap and run it under the tap to create a billowing batch of fresh bubbles with crackling fizz, care of real popping candy. And this is cinnamon and lime. It sort of smells like a soft drink a little bit, but it's nice. And this is $15.95, so you should be able to use this several times. And it is pretty hard, so you may be able to run it under the water and it stay intact. Not sure, but I'll definitely let you guys know. But this one is being discontinued. So are the last two. The Peachies are not, but the last three are. Okay, so next I have the Nana Bubble Bar, and this smells like banana. Oh my gosh, it smells like banana loaf, like a banana nut bread. Okay, it says, if you're dreaming of a bubble bath that smells like a freshly baked goodies and feels twice as nice, Nana is here to make those dreams a reality. Skin soothing, calming, and soothing elements of organic shea butter, fair trade organic cocoa butter, fine oatmeal, and almond oil will leave dry, tired skin feeling soft and silky. Very comforting. If you like gourmand scents and you want a very just relaxing bath, try Nana. And this one's sticking around. That one's not being discontinued. So next I have the Melusine Bath Bomb, and it looks like a mermaid. It's got scales and glitter. Okay, this says, if you're feeling like a nervous wreck, drop Melosine a line. This mesmerizing mermaid bath bomb was made with a scent similar to the much-loved avocado co-wash, now in fizzy bath bomb form. The shimmering turquoise waters are sure to make waves with an infusion of lemony, litsi, cubeba, and cheerful bergamot. It smells nice. It's kind of citrusy, like awakening. But yeah, I like that. So that's Melosine. Next, I picked up the Love Perfume bottle bubble bar. And this says, if you can't get enough of the sharp, sweet, and sultry Love perfume, we have one more way to envelop yourself in a heady aroma. This reusable bubble bottle lets you brew bath after bath with jasmine and lemongrass scented bubbles. So I like that about Lush. They're really into like environmentally friendly things, like bubble bath without the packaging, soap without the packaging. And this is $16, and you're supposed to be able to reuse this. And this one is being discontinued too, but it smells really nice. I'm a jasmine fan, and I love the color. I love the gold cap and the green heart too. That's nice. Yeah, so that's what I have for you for this haul. Leave your comments. Let me know if you've tried any of these and what your thoughts are. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my next Lush content. And as always, I'm praying that you and your families are safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.